Alright, so you walk in the front door and this is our living room right here. As you see, I put brand new vinyl flooring in here from Home Depot. We installed recessed lights, installed HVAC. Before, there was a window unit right in here and baseboard heating right down there and right down there. So of course we gutted all that out and installed HVAC for a little better, cleaner look and hopefully a little more efficient look. So talking about the corners I cut, I didn't really do a great job painting. It was a rush paint, as you see right there. I think that's actually just dust there. Didn't paint the door on this one yet, but we did go ahead and we did install brand new windows in here. So brand new dual pane windows. You come into our kitchen and right here is where the wall was. So before there was a wall right here that went all the way down and you pretty much had a little entrance to the kitchen. It was dark, it was small, just didn't really feel homey. So knocked down that wall completely and installed this peninsula right here. This has enough room for about 2 people to sit at it comfortably. Of course, you know, you can eat dinner here or whatever. And still there's enough room in the kitchen for a nice little kitchen table. Look into the kitchen, of course, we have the white shaker cabinets. The peninsula is gray. The countertops are wood. They're not really butcher block like the other side. It's a different kind of wood, but it's still really nice. Has a nice stain to it as well. We have our fridge here, our stove, sink. This is where our dishwasher is gonna go. So due to the layout of this kitchen, I was not able to put a 24-inch dishwasher there if I wanted to keep the sink in line with the window, which I really did want to. With that being said, I had a special order an 18-inch dishwasher. So that is on its way from Home Depot. Will be here September 8th. So got a little while to go. Back door's right here to go outside. Not really a great view when you open the door. Got another house. But as you see, we've got the recessed lights in here. They are all on a dimmer. Sorry, it's a little dusty, but they're all on a dimmer, so you can turn it up, turn it down. And same thing with the lights in the living room. So you walk into the hallway. To the left is where we had a closet before. So we took out the framing of the closet, completely cut it out. The framing kind of came up to there, and there was just a door here. Cut out the framing just like we did on the other side, and set up a water supply and electrical outlets, power supply for the dryer. So we're gonna put a stackable washer and dryer in here. Nice little Samsung one once we get it. This is the old dryer that was in here previously. Before, the washer and dryer both went on this side of the wall in the kitchen, and it just wasn't very appealing to me. So you come in here and this is the master bedroom. Put a brand new fan in here with pull switches this time, which is a lot better, having pull switches and remotes. This is one of the closets in here. As you see, kind of didn't get to painting it, so definitely cut corners there a little bit. Same thing with the doors. On the other side, I was able to sand and paint the doors, but didn't really have time this time around. But here's another closet in the master bedroom. Go down the hallway and we go into the spare bedroom over here. Same thing, I actually did not get to painting this bedroom at all. So not a single thing of it has been painted, unfortunately. That's where the baseboard heating was at before, but still got brand new windows in here, the new fan, closet on this side. As you see, I got to sanding the frames of it all. However, did not get to painting it. Well, I did a little bit, but it's okay, it's all right. Whenever she moves out, we'll be a little more precise with it. This is the hall closet in here. This one is a little more roomier than the other unit. You have enough room to put, you know, linens and towels and all the good stuff in here. Of course, you have our hot water heater on the other side. This is the original flooring that was through the house, hardwood floor. It was in kind of rough shape. It didn't smell too good. So of course, cleaned it really well and then installed the vinyl flooring on top of it. Then you come in here and this is our bathroom. So a little different than last time. We've got our lights in here. Before we had recessed lights that went on the ceiling. Wasn't really a big fan of it after we put it in. Have a mirror in here as well. Our vanity. So this vanity is also a little different. This one has a top drawer that pulls out. And as you see, since it pulls out, it does hit this door framing if it was against the wall. So we had it against the wall originally. However, once it hit the door framing, we ended up having to move it out around 2 inches. So now there's a little gap down there, but it's still fine. It looks good. Of course, got a toilet, tub. Can't forget the fart fan. Yep, that is pretty much it.